Making common mistakes can affect one's score, so here are 5 important mistakes to avoid in the IELTS speaking section. Overusing fillers. It's natural to use fillers like you know, and like occasionally when thinking or hesitating. However, excessive use can make you appear less fluent. Instead, pause briefly if you need a moment to think. Speaking too briefly. The examiner wants to assess your ability to communicate in English, which means you need to showcase your speaking skills. If you answer questions with only 1 or 2 words or very short sentences, you won't be providing enough information for a comprehensive evaluation. Aim for detailed and expanded answers. Using memorized responses. Some candidates memorize answers to common IELTS questions. However, examiners are trained to spot this. Using rehearsed answers can result in a penalty. It's much better to listen carefully to the question and provide a genuine, spontaneous response. Not correcting obvious mistakes. Everyone makes mistakes when speaking, even in their native language. If you realize you've made an error, it's okay to correct yourself. It shows that you're aware of the language's structure and can recognize and rectify your errors. Not engaging in the conversation. The IELTS speaking test is meant to be a conversation, not a monologue. This means listening to the examiner's questions and responding appropriately, asking for clarification if you don't understand, and showing genuine interest in the discussion. Avoid drifting off topic or ignoring prompts. Additionally, always remember to practice regularly and familiarize yourself with various topics. Speak clearly and at a moderate pace. Use a range of vocabulary and grammar structures. Relax and be yourself. It's about your ability to communicate in English, not about knowing all the answers.